In this video, we're going to show you how to use remote deposit capture on your MyPCCU app. From the dashboard, in the top left corner, you'll see three lines. Click on those three lines and then hit Deposit Checks. Next, you'll want to click on Deposit a Check at the top of the page. From there, you'll enter the amount of your check. Next, you're going to choose which account you want to deposit your check into. From there, take a picture of the front of your check. Next, you'll take a picture of the back of your check. Your check must be signed and you must write "For mobile deposit only at PCCU." Then, you'll review the information. If it is correct, hit Submit. Congratulations, you're done. Click OK to go back to your dashboard.